In this video, I'm going to show you how to automatically translate messages while you're messaging with a friend. This tutorial works for iPhone, so I hope it's helpful. And if you guys have any questions, you can always leave them down below. So what we're going to do is we're going to open messages and we're going to open the chat of the person that we want to talk to. Then you're going to scroll down and you're going to see automatically translate. We're going to enable that option. And now this is going to let you choose a language. We have Mandarin, Dutch, French, German, Italian, Japanese, Korean, Portuguese, Spanish. We have a lot of languages, so you're just gonna pick the one that you need. I already downloaded Spanish because that's the language that I want to use. So I'm gonna select that. And now as you can see, this will show us that is going to translate from Spanish to English. Now we're gonna go back, and in our messages, this is showing us that it's already translating to Spanish. So I'm gonna say hello to my friend. And as you can see right above it, I'm gonna see hola, which means hello in Spanish. Let us try something a little bit more difficult. Now I'm saying that I cannot wait for Christmas, and even before I send the message, I'm able to see the translation above. So I think this is one of the coolest updates that iOS 26 has. I hope this guide helped you. And as always, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Bye!